Hey guys, what's going on? So we're back today. We're going to do another recipe for you guys. We're going to do venison cube steak roll-ups. We've got our venison cube steak here marinating. It's been marinating since earlier today. So I marinated it in bone-sucking sauce. You can get that at most sporting goods stores, and it's been in there probably 6 hours or so marinating. So that's what we're going to do with these. Cheap bacon. Always use the cheap bacon. Take our bacon, our cube steak, a little bit of cream cheese, a couple jalapenos, we're going to roll those up. We'll stick a toothpick in that and then we're going to throw it on the grill. So I'm going to continue rolling these up, and we'll be back with you when we throw them on the grill. Alright guys, so I've got all these rolled up. I actually sliced the bacon in half, that way I had enough to get all these wrapped. You can wrap it with a whole sheet, that's personal preference. And then the jalapenos that I chose to use were actually the pickled jalapenos that my wife canned from the peppers we grew in the garden. So you can use fresh jalapenos. You can add onion if you prefer that, different stuff to your liking. But I've got the grill heating up. I'm going to go out there and check it here in a minute and throw these on here, or on there. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of our venison cube steak roll-ups. So stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for future recipes, hunting and fishing adventures. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Raw Hunting 89.